Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2015 Hyundai Santa Fe. This vehicle comes in black metallic paint with a chrome front grille as well as alloy rims. We have our rear privacy tint, rear sunshades, as well as our brown leather interior seating, heated and cooled seats, and our GDI engine with all-wheel drive. Now moving on to the interior of the Santa Fe. I'll walk you through a few of the driver's features, starting off with our door panel. You can see we have our open handle as well as our memory seat options. Below we have our close handle, our rear and front window controls, rear window lock and unlock buttons, as well as our power mirror adjustment. Speaker down below, as well as storage. And on the side of the seat we have our power adjustable seats and power lumbar support adjustment. Off to the left of the steering wheel now, we have our interior lighting dimmer switch, hill descent assist, and traction control. Our eco mode, heated steering wheel, differential lock, as well as our on and off for our power outlet and blind spot detection. Our gauge cluster. On the right of the steering wheel, we have our cruise control. On the left, we have our radio controls. Below our phone controls, as well as the controls for the odometer. Steering wheel's wrapped in black leather. Our infotainment screen, we can see above we do have our CD player as well as a Bluetooth option. And we have the controls for our media, radio, satellite, as well as our navigation. Below our climate controls, you can see dual zone with our fan speed in the middle. Below we have two 12-volt charging ports, as well as if we lift up this tab, we have our auxiliary input and USB port. Our gear selection stock, heated and cooled seats for driver and passenger up front, as well as our park assist, two cup holders, storage in front of our padded leather center console lid, and inside we have storage, as well as a removable tray. The front seats are featured in brown patent leather with perforated leather in the lower portion. On the rear view mirror, we have our three garage door openers, as well as our direction. Sunglass holder overhead, sunroof and moonroof controls, as well as our dome lights, and a panoramic sunroof and moonroof overhead. Back onto the exterior of the Santa Fe, we can take a closer look at our alloy rims with Hyundai badge center caps. We also have our chrome door handles with lock and unlock button on the driver's side. Rear privacy tint. Around to the back we have our Santa Fe badging as well as XL and all-wheel drive badging, dual exhaust underneath. We have a power activated liftgate. Handles to fold down at the rear 50/50 split bench, a 12-volt charging port as well as a power outlet, and speaker off to the side. Now moving on to the rear interior of the Santa Fe, I'll walk you through a few of the rear passenger features. Starting off with our door panel, you can see we have our same handle. We have our heated seats for the rear passengers, window switch, close handle, speaker and storage. Back of the front seats we have speakers and a leather magazine holder. And back of the center console we have a 12-volt charging port. The two rear bucket seats are featured in brown patent leather with perforated leather and our leather armrest. And the rear 50/50 split bench is also featured in the brown patent leather. Off to the side we have our cup holder and storage, as well as a 12-volt charging port and the rear climate controls. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of the 2015 Hyundai Santa Fe. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.